I am a clever man. How would you say a clever man in this sentence in Kurmanji Kurdish? Let's find out. In Kurdish, unlike in English, adjectives come after the noun, and we use the suffix ek to give indefinite meaning. For example, sevek, khwendekarek. However, to say a clever man, we need to use a different structure. In Kurdish, when we connect one word to another, we need to use connective endings. In this case, we need to use a structure like noun plus indefinite suffix ek plus connective ending plus adjective. If the noun is masculine, we must use the connective ending e, and if it is feminine, we use the connective ending e. In this case, to say I am a clever man, we would say ez mereki jiram. Then, how would you say today is a beautiful day in Kurmanji Kurdish? You can share it in the comments. See you.